one more fun thing with the Bernoulli. We got the Bernoulli. That's not going to work, Keith. We're going to cut the smoke rings. Get that? No smoke. And where's our other blower, please? Here we go. Are you guys ready in the front row? A little more Bernoulli. And here we go. I need someone to try this for me over here. Joe, here we go. Over there. Bernoulli over there. Yeah, I do. That was pretty good. Okay. We're going to try for our finale. We got some hot water coming on stage. Get the hot water in here, please. This might be a problem, but it should be fun. Hot water, please. We're going to try a liquid nitrogen volcano. So, everybody be careful with the hot water. It goes into that one right there. Yeah, there's 212 degrees of hot water. This is minus 320 degrees of liquid nitrogen. Who can do the math? How many degrees difference is that? Phil, fine. Okay. Or no, help me here, Keith, with this one. Ready? We have all the hot water we need? Okay, goggles on. Okay. You guys get the liquid nitrogen on the table ready? There we go. Are we ready? We never know what this is going to do, but did you do the math? What's the difference? 212 minus 320? 500 something? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did it work? That was pretty good. Pretty good. In fact, that was a pretty good sublimation going from that all the way into the vapor. We have one more grand finale thing we're going to try. It's kind of dangerous, but I think we're going to do it anyway. Are you guys ready? Okay, we need our 3 tables ready. 1. Ready? I want to thank you for coming tonight. I know we went a little bit over. Let's see, I want to aim this right at you kids, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay. And let's see, we got that. You know, liquid nitrogen.
Oh my goodness.
Some cups. Got cups? Okay, here we go. And you have you have cups, lid. You have yours, Mr. Ramsey? Okay, here we go. Remember, the nitrogen, 220 times, you can split that with her, okay? 220 times its expansive volume. That's some? Okay. All right. My capping and you're dumping? Here we go. Would you guys step back, please?
All right, step back,
You're on the naughty list. All right, so this is a stronger plastic, so here's what's going to happen. We're going to ignite this, volumize this. What are we going to do with this?
We're going to put liquid nitrogen in it, and the liquid nitrogen is going to continue to sublimate. It's going to release gas, and that gas is going to build up pressure, and in the bottle.
Okay.
Now, if he caps the bottle, what's going to eventually happen? It's going to explode.
How much
But if
does
he
it?
puts that in a can that has water in it, what's that water going to do to the explosion? It's going to amplify. It's going to be much larger. So we're going to cover it with all these little foam. What are these?
Yeah, poodle noodles.
Pool noodles. We're going to put pool noodles in as ping pong balls, and they're just going to fly everywhere.
Cover your ears. Are you ready? And I don't know when this is going to happen. Cover your ears. There we go.
All right.
It could happen any second.
Here we go.
It could happen an hour from now. Wait. I hate that when it happens.
Do you think Mr. Crosslin should go looking inside of it? No. Thank you for coming to
He's
Science
gonna do
Fun.
it. Round of applause. Did you seal it? Where's the bottle? Oh, so it's still active. Okay. We're gonna make this one go off. Are you ready? Here's how we do that. Back up. Here we go. Merry Christmas, you guys. Hey, thanks for coming.